Hello, this is Dr. Alan Yim. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reinterpret a major minor seventh chord, also commonly used as a dominant seventh, as a German augmented sixth chord. So the chords are going to sound the same, but they're going to function differently. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to spell them, and in a later video, I'll show you where they go. Okay, so let's start with the 5-7 chord, the major minor chord, in C major. I have it written out here already. It's the chord symbol and the figured bass. Okay, so we're going to write a G dominant seventh, and I'll make it simple. So G, B, D, and F. That's the dominant seventh in the key of C major. Now to reinterpret this in a new key, I'm going to treat the root of this chord as the flat 6 in a new key. Okay, so let's see how we're going to do this. If G is going to be the flat 6, how is this going to work? Well, first of all, the key that we would have to be in, well, would be B major perhaps, or maybe B minor. Okay, so I'll try it in B major first. Let's try something challenging. Okay, so it's still going to be a G7 chord. I'll write it in a different color so you can see the difference here. But now maybe we might have to reinterpret some of these pitches. So first of all, I'm going to put in the key signature. One of the things to notice is when you do this, that the new key, if you treat it as a 5-7, and then becoming a German 6, the new key, the relationship, is going to be a half step lower. So let's put the key signature in first. Okay. What am I missing here? Okay. Alright, there's the key signature, and now let's go ahead and I'll write in the chord reinterpreted as a German 6. Okay, so first of all, that is the flat 6. Every one of the pitches that is on the left-hand side will have to be repeated on the right, possibly respelled. Okay, that's Do. This one here is going to be the flat 3. Since we're in major, I'm going to have to make this D natural, so we're lowering it. If you're in minor, of course, you don't need to put in accidental. And finally, the sharp 4, which is not going to be F sharp, or sorry, F natural, but instead it's going to be E sharp. So the tricky thing about this is making sure that you have the correct accidentals. So this again is the sharp 4. And that's it. Okay, so the augmented sixth interval is the flat 6 to the sharp 4. So that's where you see augmented 6. And that's it. Okay, so when you respell it from major, from 5-7 to the German 6, you're going to see 2 accidentals. When you do this in minor, of course the flat 3 is already flat. In a later video, I will show you how to use 5-7 of 4. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.